Wednesday, October 15th. Now, if you've been following along, this is my Ford Ranger 2024 with a 2.7 liter. I started modifying the exhaust, and first we went with the resonator delete. So this is the muffler, factory muffler. After that, it gets a resonator. So the muffler guy suggested I just cut the resonator out. It'll be a little louder, right? Yeah, it's louder, but I didn't like the sound. So the Ford factory got inlets, right bank of the engine, left bank of the engine, right? Right, left. It's a V6. Left side, the right side of the engine. Go inside. These are 2.5 inch. And then it goes through who knows what else inside there. Another chamber, I assume. And then it goes out a single 3 inch. So what I put in there, cut that out. I bought all the parts at Summit Racing, the elbows, mandrel bent elbows and 45s, and some tubing with slip fittings and some clamps. I used the 40 series Flowmaster with 2 inlets, 2 outlets. 2.5 times 2 in and out. 40 series, it's pretty mellow at idle, but when you get on it, it gets loud, and I don't like the sound. So we're gonna try something else. This was the original idea, Dynomax Crossflow or Ultraflow Crossflow Ultra. It's almost a straight through exhaust, but it's not. It's got a cross in the middle. So I thought that was kind of interesting. It's packed. It's got packing in there. It's got perforated tubes that run in and they cross in the middle. So I thought that was an interesting idea, because they found you get more torque at low RPMs with a cross pipe or an H pipe. Look at Engine Masters there on YouTube. They did some dyno tests. You know, what's the difference between the pipes coming together and crossing, or slight increase in torque. So that's where we're at. This just came in yesterday, so it's getting sunset, and I probably won't install it, but it's here. So that'd be another project. And the good thing is I use clamps. So I'll just unclamp the old one. Might have to cut the tubing down, because I think this is bigger. It's basically what I want to see right now. And stay tuned, and I'll show you how I ran my exhaust system. It's a DUI or DIY. My DIY exhaust kit here. Like I said, I got all the parts prefabbed. There's my tips. Goes over the axle, and then it goes straight that way. There's the muffler, Flowmaster 40, 2 outlets, 2 inlets, and back to the factory connection. There's a 1 clamp and 1 flange fitting. It's a ball and flare with a flange on it, 2 bolts. Very simple. I was able to reuse the factory hangers, or the hanger points. I had to make my own hangers, but let's see. Maybe you can see the hangers from there. See the hangers? You buy those hangers at the O'Reilly's. Alright, stay tuned, and it might be a long video, you might not care, but it is what it is. What I'm gonna do is flip those clamps around so the bolts are on the top. I put them down like that just because they're easy to get to, easy access, in case I want to change something. So far I think it's looking pretty good, so I'm going to do them like these on this end. I already did these two. But I gotta do the ones with the muffler. I'm gonna take the muffler off anyway. Put the other muffler on, which I think is longer. It's gonna sound different. The case is the same shape, but that's a chambered muffler with no packing. The Dynomax has packing in and no chambers. It's like a glass pack. Oh yeah. If you want to look inside, yeah. So you can see straight through in there. There's one side. There's the other side. Oh, get the camera in there, yeah. Now, typically when they do an exhaust system like that, where they got the right side exhaust and left side exhaust, instead of doing a straight through, they'll do the cross in the middle or an H pat. Actually, it's called a balance tube. But it's supposed to give you a little more torque. We'll see, right?